Hi everyone, welcome to the session on Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG, which is one of the recent exciting advancement in artificial intelligence that is transforming the way we work with large language models. We know large language models, like we all use ChatGPT. Just imagine you develop an AI agent powered with RAG, which integrates large language model with your enterprise application. So when you use ChatGPT, you know the possibility of the prompt which you do, right? Just imagine this kind of a possibility in your enterprise application. Like for example, you develop an AI agent powered with RAG, which can integrate with your enterprise applications like supply chain management, procurement system, HRMS system, or your ITSM tool, or your financial system. Just think about the possibility, right? So if you have an AI agent which can connect to your financial system, you can easily find the discrepancies in your financial report. You can easily generate your financial report of 2023 or 2024 just by giving a prompt, right? Just imagine the possibility of connecting with your supply chain management or your inventory module, where you can see the level of stock, what is the stock, what are the products which are out of stock, what are the things which you need to purchase. These are all the possibilities of having an AI agent powered with RAG. So in this course, we will see what are the concepts, what are the building blocks of developing such a RAG applications. Like, there are concepts like LangChain, vector embeddings, vector search, Ollamas. All these things is what conceptually we will understand what is this and how we can use these packages or libraries in your Python program to develop a RAG application. We know that there are like all these LLMs which are available, for example like ChatGPT, Mistral or Llama 2, they are all powerful, but they have their own limitations, right? For example, all the LLMs, they have a cutoff date, they are completely dependent on the knowledge which they are trained on. They might give you hallucination response, right? These are all the limitations, but we know they are powerful. What we are going to do is, instead of using their knowledge base, we will use the power of LLM and we will connect to our enterprise applications. Just think about the possibilities, right? So during this course, we will try to understand this concept and we will try to incorporate all this concept in Python programming language, and we will develop a RAG application. So by the end of this course, we will develop a project where we will try to use a PDF file. We will try to query this PDF file using open source LLMs, right? Like Phi, there are different open source LLMs, right? So in our project, we will use an open source LLM called as Phi, and we will develop a RAG application, and which will enable you to have a solid understanding about RAG. What is this RAG? What are this AI agent which you can power with RAG concept, and how we can develop such an application? In this training, there will be 8 modules. In the first module, we'll discuss about introduction to RAG and course overview. In the second module, we'll discuss about how to set up the development environment to develop a RAG application. In the third module, we'll discuss about how to run Ollama locally. In this module, we'll see how we can download the Ollama tool and how we can pull the open source large language models into your system. In the fourth module, we'll discuss about how to load the PDF into a LangChain. In the fifth module, we'll discuss about how to generate vector embeddings from the PDF document uploaded and how to store this vector embedding in a vector store. In the sixth module, we'll discuss about how to retrieve the information from the PDF. And in the seventh module, we'll discuss the final project. We'll explain each and every line which is there in the final project, and we will go through the steps involved in developing a RAG application. In the eighth module, we'll have a course wrap up, a summary, and what are the next steps to understand RAG in advance. So having said that, I welcome you all for this course, and let us try to learn and explore and understand the RAG concept and develop AI agent powered with RAG. Thank you.